welcome to Redwood. Wow, wow. Oh my God, we're here. We're gonna do hiking. Ang lalaki ng mga puno. Grabe. Ready na kayo mag-hiking ni Bethany? Yan. No. This is our hike. We're gonna go to the big tree first. And then go to Elk Prairie Campground. Okay, let's go. Gonna touch the big redwood, the tallest living things in the world. Ito. Huh? Picturean mo nga ako. Grabe, laki oh. This is huge. Wow. Yeah, on the way to the big tree. I really like it. Look at that. Look, tingnan mo, gaano kaganda. Redwood. Ate, punta ka na.
No, you go with me then.
Yeah, I'll go with you. Oh yeah, you can go here. Come on, come on.
Biggie.
Come on. Right inside the... Oh my God. Inside the hollow tree. Wow. That is a hollow tree. Ganda. Ay, meron pa isa.
Hi, how are you doing? Let me see how tall is this tree. Oh, gee.
Spiders in here.
Nice.
Yes, there you go. Big tree. The wayside. Okay, we're getting near to the big tree. And Bethany is excited to see the big tree. Not yet. Oh, here. Oh, here's the big tree. That's a big tree too. That's a very big tree. Let's touch the 1,500 years old tree. Yes. Oh, touch the big tree. Oh, touch it, Bethany. Para humaba rin ang buhay mo. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're done here hiking in Redwood. Oh, we went to the big tree. Thank you for watching for our adventure. Bye-bye. See you next time. Elk. Oh, wow, ang daming elk.